I recently got into furniture refinishing. One of the biggest questions is how much does it cost and is it profitable? So in this video, I'm going to show exactly how much it costs and the time it took on my most recent project. So let's get into it. First things first, the dresser itself was $19.79 at Goodwill. Next, I knew I wanted to paint it, and I got real lucky that the exact paint that I wanted was under Oops Paint, where they accidentally made the wrong paint, and so they're selling it for real cheap. It was a total of $9 for a gallon and 50 cents for small pints. For paint, brushes, wood filler, and other miscellaneous stuff, the total was $70.79. I was surprised to find out drawer pulls are over $5 a piece. And looking at my dresser, each drawer has 2 or 4 handles on it. So I could have changed the design a little bit to make it cheaper. So just the hardware alone was $91.11. Bringing the grand total to $181.69. And I did spend a total of 12 hours working on this project. 8 of those hours was spent sanding. I definitely did not need to go as in-depth sanding as I did. Just needed to sand at the top and the fronts of the jars, since that's the only part that was going to be natural wood. So hopefully the next project will only take me 2 to 3 hours to knock out, and I'll be able to turn a really nice profit pretty quickly.